Oh, I love it. I love when viewers request crochet tutorials because it really helps me like noodle with a problem. I thought the easiest way to do it was going to be one by one and inserting singles because that's what I did with JJ here. Each curl was added to the ponytail individually, but I found it was really bulky in the back. So this is a much faster way to create the curls because then I also don't have to keep track of 12 different curls. You could create them really easy on the ring of 6 and then you just attach them to your cap and it all sews together so nice and flat there. So we'll begin our fast and easy ponytails for amigurumi with a magic circle or adjustable ring. You'll wrap the yarn around your finger twice, pull the first bar over the second bar back over the first, and then it will just pull off your finger there. You'll grab your crochet hook and then we're just going to work a single chain one. Excellent. And then 6 single crochet worked into our adjustable ring. So we're going to yarn under this time because it's amigurumi. So we're going to go insert your hook, yarn under, and then pull through. There you go. And we'll work 6 of them total. If, let's say, the size of your amigurumi was bigger and you wanted a bigger ponytail, then you could work a bigger circle. But I found in order for shade here that it works best to have just 6 single crochet in a row in the circle. And now once you have your 6 single crochet, we're going to close around one with a slip stitch. So we're going to insert our crochet hook into the stitch. And then, oh, I ended up yarning over for this one. That's okay. And then pull it all the way through, and then we'll work a yarn over and work a chain. And now we're actually going to keep chaining. And so this will begin our first little curly here, okay, is you're going to work a chain as long as you'd like the curl to go. This first one is about 44 chains long. And so it's a bit long. So if you want them to be shorter, then you're going to just do them a bit shorter. And it's also okay to frog your first one as you're learning. So now you're going to single crochet and yarn over all the way back up your chain. And that's going to start the curl. And I noticed when I compared yarning over to yarning under when it comes to creating the curl, that yarning over actually creates a much tighter spiral, whereas yarning under created a much longer kind of loose curl. So that's going to be up to you. What's your preference? I also found it was much faster to yarn over for that curl because I'm much more used to it. So that's what makes it so fast. So now when you get to the top of your first curl, you're going to work a slip stitch into the next stitch of our round. You'll slip stitch by pulling it all the way through, and then you'll work a chain, and now you're going to keep chaining to work your next little curl there. And that's the entire, that's going to be the pattern for creating your ponytail. So you'll chain out, single crochet back. And now if you want to work 2 curls in each stitch, that's what I did. I worked one in the first one and then 2 curls the rest of the way around. However, you could also add one to the first one again so that it's 12 for an even 12. I ended up with 11. Then you're just going to work a slip stitch back into the same stitch, ready, and pull all the way through, and then work your, oh, it can be a little tight there, and then work your chain, and then now you're going to just keep chaining out, and that's going to create your little curls there. And so now, perfect, you've got your little ponytails, a ring of curls, and you're going to take that your center string there, and now your yarn needle, and you're going to weave in the back, so the bottom of that to the top of your cap. The cap is going to be made the same size as the head of your amigurumi. You just make it in whatever hair color you'd like. And then once you've weaved the ponytail, you'll pin your hair cap in place of where you'd want it to go. You can anchor the center there. I kind of put the center string of the ponytail right through the center of the amigurumi, and then I used the long tail to weave around the centers. Weave around the circle. There we go. Use the long tail to weave around the circle. And here we go. Oh, so cute, so cute, so cute. Just gorgeous. And then you can add little hair ties, which is fun. Yeah, and this is a hair tie of half double crochet. I just did a kind of small chain and then I worked half double crochet on the way back. A little loop so that I could pull it through. Oh, beautiful. Do you have a request for a crochet tutorial? please let me know. I love to make crochet tutorials that are helpful for you. If you love to create hairstyles for amigurumi as much as I do, be sure to check out my crochet tutorial on how to crochet cornrows for amigurumi.